Hey guys, it's Jess here back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a Fivem server from scratch. Now this video will be accompanied by this blog. I basically created this because a lot of people were asking on my tutorials if I could make a kind of written tutorial to go alongside it. So the link for this will be in the description, and I'll be referring to this throughout the video. So the first thing you want to do is create a folder on your desktop, and I'm just going to call it Fivem server. Now you can call this whatever you want, but just make sure it doesn't have spaces in it, because that'll just lead to complications later on. So just make sure it's all together, or if you really want a space, just do a dash. This is just the name of the folder, no one else will see this, so it doesn't really matter what you call it. Then the next thing you want to do is go to the blog and click on the first link. What this will do is it'll basically take you to the artifacts for Fivem. So you just want to click on latest recommended, and that'll basically give you a zip, and it'll look something like that. It might be called something slightly different, it might be called server.zip, it depends, because obviously latest recommended changes. And then you just need to extract it into the Fivem folder. So there's two ways you can do that. You can right click, go to extract, and then put the location, but I just like to do it the easy way of dragging the zip in there, clicking on it, and then just clicking extract here. I just find this a really easy way, but again you can extract it whatever way you want, and then I just drag it out at the end. Then you just want to go back to the blog and click on the next link. This will take you to here. Now there's two ways you can do this. If you want to keep it constantly updated, you can clone it, but it's complicated and it requires GitHub, the desktop version. So I just recommend downloading it as a zip, and then you'll basically get this. Then again, that's the same as the last one, you just want to extract it in here, but I'm just going to do it my way and extract here. Then you should just get a folder up the top called CFX Server Data Master, and then you want to click into that, and you want to make a new text document. Then you want to call it server and change the .txt to .cfg. Now if you can't see the .txt, then you want to hit view and click on file name extensions, and that'll basically let you see these little dot something at the end of documents. Then you want to go to edit, and you want to go back to the blog and click on this hyperlink, and then you want to start copying this up until line 71, just the bottom of it, and then you want to copy it and paste it in there and just save that. Then just keep scrolling down in the blog and generate license key, and then hit the here hyperlink. Now I absolutely hate going onto this site. It's just, I don't know why the security on here, it's maybe just me, I don't know, but I feel like I have to do these captchas about like 5 times until they actually let me on the site. So you might need to do it a couple of times. You won't have anything here, this is just a previously made key by me. What you want to do is hit register, and then you'll need to do your captchas again. Top capture gameplay here on the Young Mind channel, and then you should get to this page. So what you want to do is hit label, and you just type key in there. Then the server IP address is your IPv4 address. So the way you would get that if you don't know it is just go to the blog and click on here, and that will basically take you to a site that will tell you your IPv4 address. The other way you can do it is go to command prompt and type in ipconfig. That'll basically bring up your IPv4 address as well. Then you want to go server type home hosted, do another bunch of captchas, and then generate, and that'll basically make your key for you. But I already have one made, so I'm just gonna go back and copy this key. Then what you want to do to the key is go back into your server.cfg, and where it says change me, you want to paste in your key, and then save that and exit out. Then you want to go to your Fivem server, click on that, and now we're going to make something that runs the server. So you want to right click, new, text document, starter, and then you want to change the end to .bat. Then you want to right click on it, hit edit again, and then you want to put cd d, and I'm actually going to need to look this up on the blog quickly. I can't exactly remember what it is. So it's cd/d, and then you want to copy in the CFF directory. So how you get that is just go into this one called where your server.cfg is, and you just want to click here and then copy that and then paste it in there. Then you want to hit enter to go down a line, and you're going to paste in the root directory. So it should just look something like that. Then you need to do a slash at the end of this, I believe. I'm just going to check on the blog. It should just be a slash at the end of that, and then run.cmd. Yeah, so you just want to copy this from the blog and paste that on the end there, and that's what it should look like. And then you just want to save that and you close it down, and this is basically your server set up now. So you just want to go to starter and run that, and that'll basically set up your server. Then you want to boot up Fivem. So this is just to join it now, so that's your server up and running. So now you go to Fivem and just wait for it to load up. And now this is how you join your server basically. A lot of older tutorials don't have this method. So a lot of older tutorials will just tell you to go into direct connect and type in localhost. But this won't actually work anymore because they've changed it. What you need to do is go into your settings and make sure dev mode is enabled. This will basically give you this localhost option here in the top. So you just want to click that. It'll connect, and it will give you this slightly odd old GTA loading screen. So you can kind of mess about in there. I don't actually think you can fully play it. I think you can just run around. I haven't been loading long enough to actually find out. I'm going to see if I can get into one of these cars. No, I don't believe so. And that will basically load into your Fivem server. So if you want your friends to be able to join your Fivem server, you will need to port forward it. There is a link in the description or the card in the top right, because this is a two-part video. So the next part will tell you how to port forward. So just click in the top right or the link in the description. But if you're just looking to play by yourself on a Fivem server, that's everything for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like. If this is, your kind of content, subscribe. Only like 4% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed, so if I could get that number up, I'd be really, really happy. But anyway guys, till next time, I'll see you soon.